Namaste, good morning to all of you. We are here in Tam Coc. We're just walking here on the side of this pathway, and then the river is here. Wait, the view is not visible. There, the river, and there's more view here with this kind of mountain. Oh, this one, like this one. So we're just walking here. We just finished eating. We eat again at that Vietnamese restaurant that we like. The food there is amazing, guys. Yesterday we eat that fried rice with tofu, and then the pho. It was really good. And last night I ate like a bun with tofu and mushroom, and it's also really nice. And today we eat simple. We eat steamed vegetables, but they gave a sauce, guys, and I like the sauce. It's like vinegar with something in it, garlic stuff and honey or maybe something, but it's nice. I put soy sauce also, but overall the food there is really nice, so we went back there. This is our last day here. Later we are going to Katba. Look at me, guys. Yesterday I wore short until here ba, that dress, and I got really dark. If you can notice, yala, you can really notice it, no, that my skin has a different skin tone from here up here, but it's like I don't really care about getting dark now. When I was little, I'm very conscious about getting dark because people will say that, oh, you look really dark, and like children, but they make fun of people with darker skin tones in Philippines. So I'm always conscious, but now I don't give a fuck. I just enjoy myself. That's better. So we're just walking here before the bus arrives. What time is it, Pani? Maybe it's like 12 o'clock now, and the bus will arrive like 1 o'clock. We will go to the hotel at 12:30. Get our bags. I already packed our bags, so we are just gonna wait for the bus because the bus will arrive at 2 o'clock. We will go to Katba. It's a 5-hour trip. Oh, there's like a tiny little bridge.
Yeah, that's good.
Let's hope it's okay to, what is it, to cross ba. But there are lots of seats here. You can sit and see the view. This view is nice also, but the view there, it's better. You can see the mountains. So somewhere there, guys, somewhere there is the bus stand. Something like if you come here at Tam Coc, you will be stopped there. So there's a bus there, and it's kind of like the city. I'm in the center also. There's lots of place there to eat and buy stuff. PJ is not suffering a lot now because he ate. and
I'm trying to go in the shade.
trying to go in the shade. Okay, chalo, let's go. Let's go here to the bridge. Let's see. You will see the mountain from here in the bridge. I think so.
Maybe.
Let's hope so. Chalo, chalo. Hala, people might come here. Oh, they don't. I thought they would come here on the bridge, but so let's come here. I will show you the view from the little bridge. Oh, this bridge is kind of really steep. Oh, this is what I mean, guys. This is the mountain I was talking about. This mountain. There's more there. And then there you go. So we walk around, guys. We just found out that there is a way here. You can either go to this tiny bridge or to the road. This is the port where the boats dock, and you can get a boat there going around. But if you want to get a boat ride, it's better if you go to, what was the name of the place? Yeah, it's better to go there than here because there are caves, so it will be more adventurous. It's like wild there. So this is the view here. Look at Uncle. He's rowing boat using feet. It's like really unique. There, the view. It's very peaceful here. It's nice here to sit, but it's very hot. That's the problem. It's nice to sit, but it's very hot. We're finally in the bus, guys. We're going to Katba, 5 hours trip, which is here. We're in the front seat behind the driver because we're requested to have a seat behind the driver so we don't feel dizzy. And nobody is here yet. There are safer, but it's better than getting dizzy or worst, puking. So PJ requested to have this seat here behind the driver. We're looking for the seat belt because it says here that, oh, this one, oh, you can read this one. This one, it says that there will be a fine if you don't put seat belt, 150,000. I don't know. This is the view. We are here at the port now, guys. I don't know if we are gonna come down or there will be a boat that will bring us to the island of Katba. But yeah, PJ is talking to the people here also, guys. So, wow, look at this.
For two people?
Nice.
I think yes.
We were going on a barge, guys.
Then we can discuss all opportunities.
We thought that we are gonna go down, so we went down a while ago with our bags, but it was too heavy, so we went up again, and then we just discovered that we will just go there. This is like the barge in Misam
She
Occidental.
looks very nice.
Hala, look at these. They also have this kind of transportation. So that
You want to
is
say it?
nice. This is very unique. Oh, we're going now. This is like the barge in Philippines. And you have not been in the barge there, but the bus is like this there.
In the Philippines, this is a normal way. Because there's not a lot of land.
There, here it is.
You must be nice.
Here is the view here from the boat. I'm not sure where we are going. I think we're going somewhere there. Katba. The mountains are really nice. Let's do a zoom. Like, there, oh! Mountains. There. I like this one. It's really huge. With the electricity line. Hala, Mani! This is a tram? This is a tram? I thought it's electricity something.
I don't know. It's not moving though, it's not functional.
Oh, it's not moving. Maybe it's electricity. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if it's moving or not. But it's really huge. It's dark, but it's there. Ajaw, ajaw. Ajaw first. Whee! Me also, it's here. It's okay. We're almost there. This is the one with the big, this one, no? Like a post or something. Oh, the port is there. I think so, this one, no? Big stuff. That one is nice. The one, this one, oh, it's shaped really nice, this one. We are down here, guys. We are finally in Katba. And our hotel is still 30 minutes from here. So we already told the driver where our hotel is. We showed him on the maps, and then he said he will send us there, which is wow, it's really amazing. Oh no, you cannot really see this blue one, but the one we saw, the boat. Look at the view here, guys. We transfer on the other side of the bus. This is the view. Woohoo! The ride is also very snaky. There you go. Wow, this is very nice, I think. think I saw roads like this to Batanes. I don't know. Batanes is my dream place to go in Philippines. In Philippines, that's my dream place to go. Batanes. Oh, nice. That mountain. Oh. We're finally here in the room, guys. This is the review. Oh, but before that, let's start here. So this is the door, and then they have some of these. I can actually wash some clothes. I will hang it here. And then we have, wait, let's see the, oh, this is the toilet. Hello. And oh, they have hair dryer. And this is the shower and toilet. Shower is nice. Yeah, it's okay. And then the bed is here. And then what is this? There's like a room here. Balcony? Let's try what is. This is a different room?
I don't know what is that.
I don't know.
Try to open maybe a balcony.
Yeah. Oh, it is a balcony, guys. Here it is. Oh, excuse me. There it is. You can sit here. And this is our view. Wow. This is the view here. We are really in the center of Katba or something. This is Katba, right?
Super center, yeah.
Yeah, super center. See, you can see the sunset there. It's very nice. I didn't know they have balcony, but I don't know if I want to stay here because it's very hot here. I don't. Yeah, maybe at night. Okay, let's lock it. And then this is the window.
And the people see up.
There you go. Still same. There. Hello guys, this is a very nice room. You can see the sunset bar. And there's a window here also there. We're finally here in the hotel. I'm sweating a lot. It's like whole day here. Morning, night, afternoon, midnight. I sweat a lot. What is it?
Just the advertisement for the flamingo, the one Bolu booked for us.
Oh really? This is the one?
Yeah.
Yeah, brother-in-law booked us a hotel. But PJ canceled it because it was super expensive, right? 9,000?
Yes, one reason, not all reasons.
Okay, 9,000 per night. And PJ canceled it. It was 2 nights here. 9,000 per night. I told PJ, no, let's not book that one. That is too expensive. How much is this?
2,000 per night.
Oh, 2,000 per night. And there's a very nice view. Wow. So yeah, for now we will relax a little. Maybe I will wash some clothes because we're gonna stay here 2 nights. So I'm gonna wash some undergarments, Bob, because yeah, a while ago, guys, we met. They're not really a couple, right? They're maybe like travel buddies. Yeah, they are travel buddies. And there's this girl. She's traveling here in Vietnam for 6 months already.
No,
and
she's traveling from 6 months in Vietnam. I don't know.
Oh, okay. So she's traveling for 6 months anywhere. But what I'm very surprised about is that she has a tiny backpack. I was like, what the freak? Next time I should really buy some shorts and crop tops like this.
That's what I said.
So we have our food, guys. We ordered, this is only downstairs from the hotel. We ordered tofu with vegetables and stuff. This is 69, right? 69? Yeah, this is 69. And then we ordered more rice. And look at this. It looks really nice. This is the area. This is the place. It looks very nice and very cozy. They have these lanterns and they have this kind of nice shelf and stuff. Right? It's nice. So that's it. Hello guys, we are just walking around here, the one you saw outside of the hotel. Look at all of these trees with lights. And this is the one in front of our hotel. It's there. We were walking there and PJ is booking some tour for tomorrow to a cave. Hana? To a cave, so that's what he was busy about a while ago. So for now we are looking for a grocery store. I found one. It says that the prices there are reasonable and they put the price there so they don't cheat people, which is kind of good. People said that that's a good place to go, so we're going there.